Una know when I know MC Shakara, this bros are small, I be teenager, I don't clock 40 that year. Now I be 30 years. This man. He like a shower.
Funny Bone Live, Aina Son.
So ladies and gentlemen, next up, in the Father's Day spirit, I'll make welcome one of Nigeria's best female stand-up comedians. Married to an Igbo man, well taken care of, and a proud mom of 2. All the way from Abuja. Make some noise for the one and only, the lady she love her, RealwarriPikin!
Let's get it started in here.
The doctor say you know collect your balance, behave. Lagos, ILD. This is not the new greeting now. ILD. Now we need to the people, the worship people like Oracle. I mean they change the national anthem from arise to hail. Because nothing they rise again. Debit Allah, they keep rick. So ALD Lagos, it's always good to be here. Today that's Salah, you're not gonna be like Salah. Jollof rice surplus. Anybody wake ram today na ritualist. I'm super excited to be here again. If you now look me just now, throw leg. My leg they pain me. Shout out to footballers. To play ball not easy. Maybe yesterday they called me say I could play ball for one charity champions. I feel say to play ball not to gym. That's how they gym any of these days now. Carry weight. I enter ball 2 minutes where they put me. My leg not touch ball. I reach a sleep, wake up, all year hook. I not feel waka, not be joko. I not feel waka. And every time I see the play, I go to shout for Jackson. What do they play? They play rubbish. I can never insult footballers again. No wonder Victor see me do live video, they shout. I'm a full grown man, I have injury. The man know what to do in leg, not die a day here. Una dey drag am to play ball easy. I'm a full grown man, I have injury, nobody list it around. It's smart to the apple. When I climb up. Thank you for saying, who said sorry there? You will never suffer waist pain. Only you find like 6 people. My helper, I greet you especially. I greet you. I don't say EFCC there around, don't worry. Funny boy, you need to put a basket, maybe they drop money here. Comedy not easy. Normally, all this comedy what we they do now just to support each other. They not really they pay us. I even shock our sponsors. See the way sponsors shock. Funny but not really collect accounts. So now this spring we say they hold ourselves. Now they don't ban them. So therefore just put a offering basket. Yeah, they drop 1 or 2. See the shame men we come now. See shame men everywhere. Where's vintage? Where's e-money? They're there, but now they're not fit spray because EFCC must send 1 representative to every comedy show now. So today is Father's Day, and I'm super excited that it's Father's Day. And for anybody to talk something just now, I say they get 19 Mother's Day, and Father's Day is only today in the entire year. And make I can shock you, today is also World Toilet Day. I don't know why. Why did they do that to men? Men deserve to be celebrated more. They're too much. He talks something, say you date this country now, you dey train your family. If you say easy, Abuja now it was to pay school fees, to pay rent. The only time when you go test that thing, only when you want to go peaceful. That place. So I feel we should celebrate every man in this room. Put your hands together for every man. You are responsible, you are not responsible, you deserve. It's not easy to raise waste. Yes, they say a man is not responsible. He leave you. Know what he run, leave you easy. Even if the time we give belay not ready, genuinely. If you be woman here, man run, leave you. Don't worry, forgive her. It's not easy to be man. Very hard. And I feel like the men who are able to add join where they make an ad. Because many people they complain, say, we don't celebrate you enough, we don't buy you gifts on Valentine's Day, we go buy you only singlet and bossers. But you know, go blame us because una it dey hard to even love una. People are not expressive. A woman is expressive. When she's upset, you will know. When she's crying, you will know. You ask a woman, how are you? She will tell you her entire day. But you ask a man, how are you? Fine. Eyes work, fine. You are not expressive. We don't even know your emotional need. We don't know your psychological need. We don't know your love language. We don't know anything. So it's hard to show you love. Because we women, we really want to show. We want to buy you gift, right? We want to, the money day. But we don't even know what you want. Or where? Now you're not going to make this joke funny or swore. Regulars. For your quiet. And even women talk about money not day. Women supporting women.
An empty street, an empty house, a hole inside my heart.
We want to love you, we don't know how. Because the only need you express to us is your sexual need. Wake up, go wash. What is the meaning of that? Honey, wake up now, go and wash and come back. What's that? That's only how you express your need. And when your club lose, we don't really know how to, and we want to. We really want to. You know, and sometimes I feel like what is making it really hard for men is their bro code. Don't get me wrong, I love bro code. Bro code is good. For those of you who don't know what bro code is, it's an unwritten rules that governs a man's behavior. It's beautiful. Don't date your friend's sister. Don't date your friend's ex. Don't gossip. Don't kiss and tell. You know, those bro codes are really nice. You understand? It governs you well. But I feel there are some that are ridiculous, that is affecting you, and it's not making us love you. It's not making us, you know, making you open up. One of them is you don't cry. Crying is an emotion. Just say you be man up, they cry. A man is not supposed to give compliments and take compliments. Your man, they tell you, say, I love you. You cannot say you love him back. Love is a good thing. Or you know if you just follow man sleep on a condo. Women will condo all the time. There is nothing there. The one we call they pay me pass. They say when you they all blah, may you not mourn. Men, we need to do better. Express yourself. Are we together? Okay, the way on I call quiet now. Be like say women, you don't want them to mourn. I want them to mourn. Wait a minute. I did on top of you doing my work. You did do. Then when you go here in front, you go speak Igbo. Shere. No, I'm married Igbo man. I'm for the past 12 years. That's all. I say only express yourself. Am I not trying? He say yes. But mourn. Oh, me say no. Bro code. We are men. Another another bro code where they annoy me. You not say if you want go piss as man, you enter toilet. That toilet where they call them a urinary. I be waiting. If one man they piss for there, another man won't go piss. You know, go the next one. You must go the third one. Why? Say you don't want to see something. What did God create? You admire it. Women will see ourselves. Ah, you look so good. See your bum bum. Look at your, you know. It's really good because when you do that thing too much, we know they know how to take love you. We know they know. So tomorrow is public holiday. And I think that, okay, today, 12 don't pass. 12 can quick pass for Lagos. What is the time now? What time? 4. 12:24. So today, I feel like we should do better. Yes, we know that these men, they are very one kind, but let's try. Let's try and take them out. But what do you guys really want? Can we share? Because anything over the year now, singlet and bossers. Maybe supposed to just wash the singlet now from total neck, you don't talk to off shoulder. Can we share? What do men want? You want what? Not be money now, it should be dollars. Not the yes anybody will kill ram now a ritual list. Men, what do we want? You want phone? Oh, hey, mom will leave the phone. You know, women, men phone are onions. If you open it, you must cry. 2024, you see the touch man phone? What did they find for inside? There'll be one man phone when I touch, I see nude, breast. You say a breast cancer patient?
She's just a girl and she's on fire.
Wait! Men who are wicked, oh. Akasha read down dead. If they tell me, say the girl, I want to pray with her. Who are you? Are you Odumeje? Do you have powers? Only me not call the beggar. Your cash man, the shit, you call the beggar, man. Who they marry Urobo man here, Urobo man? You marry Urobo man, you fit train dragon. You be Urobo. They show. Urobo what do? They be wish. You not shocked, say I be old worry, stay worry, born and bred, I run, go up yourself, go marry Igbo man. Okay, if you say I too love, now too much love. I guess so. Igbo men very cheap to marry. Two things that they like, respect and fuck. That's all they need as an Igbo man. You could just respect me. Respect. Forget this feminism. A woman is not supposed to shut up. Respect them, then give them. Watch all those adult films, they learn. Don't say once you be a woman now, you don't pass 30 years now, the energy they drop. Enter gym. So the thing one I want, and I don't want gifts. You should not just touch your phones. Wow. That thing can add. No matter how you trust your husband, rich, once he pick one guy call, or body just sweet and one can sweet, you must one check. But when you check the phone, you can't not say you not go if you see something. Why you can't check her? More not check phone again. Are we together? If you will not check phone, at least maybe the next 1 week, forever. Who talk for yesterday not check phone? 1 month, one robo man. Who never married? I talk about. Una know when I know MC Shakara, this bros are small, I be teenager, I don't clock 40 that year. Now I be 30-something years, this man. He like a shower. So no wahala. We should stop checking your phones, no problem. We will stop. But Mona eye still come off our side. Will your high leave aside? We are together. We are having this conversation because there's a lot of things going on. Women and men, they fight, especially online. We don't love you. We want to know if we stop to check your phone, your eye go come off outside. They say they rather die. The kind men where we get now, the dating pool is messed up. Some go just see one serious girl now, where they take her life serious. Girl 9 to 5, responsible girl. You go just look, you say, I want you to have a baby by me. You know something you just born for them. But anyhow, shall God go really help us? They say my time don't go, so I have to go now. Congratulations, Funny Bone, and thank you all for coming out. I love you so much, Lagos. Good night.
I think she deserves a better applause. Come on now, let's clap for her, man. Yeah. Women supporting women. Women, leave our phones. Man, let me hear your voice. Women, leave our phones. When I leave our phone, no. When I go there, when I go there, as an Asiam, when I go there, cry. Leave our phone. I don't know if I'm saying your mind. Leave our phones. As I talk, net just quiet. You don't know what to do. Chairman, they should leave our phone. Chairman, you give them. CEO, now you be man. I better go. Okay, peace. They should leave our phones. Chairman, you can bail yourself. It's fine. We cannot. Okay, fine. Excellency, they should leave our phones alone, Abi. Sir? You give, she can see it. Excellency. It's okay. It's okay. All right.
Funny Bone Live. Aina Son.